for fixing the Battlefield 6 beta online services connection failed error. Step-by-step fix. 1. Restart and quick checks. Restart PC, console, routers, modem, power off 30 to 60s. Make sure your EA apps, Steam, console firmware is fully updated. Close overlays, Discord, GeForce Experience, Xbox Game Bar, Steam overlay. 2. Network fixes. 1. Use wired connections, switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet if possible. 2. Flush DNS and reset network PC. Open command prompt admin run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reboot. 3. Change DNS, set Google 8.8.8.8.84.4 or Cloudflare 1.1.111.0.1. 4. Enable UPnP on your router or test with port forwarding for EA servers. 5. Test with VPN hotspot. If it works, it's an ISP routing issue. Hacker 3. PC-specific fixes. Run EA app Steam as administrator. Add the game EA app to firewall and antivirus exceptions. Verify game files, Steam properties, installed files, verify/EA app, repair. Update GPU drivers and Windows to latest builds. Disable exploit protection ASLR for BF6event.exe and Windows security, common crash cause. Console fixes, PS5, Xbox, full power cycle, shutdown, unplug console for 60s, restart. Check NAT type, set to open, enable UPnP and router. Clear cache, Xbox hold power until fully off, PS5, database rebuild in safe mode. NERP 5. Advanced fixes, disable CPU, GPU overclocking, set to stock, increase Windows virtual memory, paging file, clean boot Windows, disable all non-Microsoft startup services and test. Reinstall EA anti-cheat from the Battlefield 6 installation folder. If all else fails, reinstall Battlefield 6 beta plus EA app cleanly. After these steps, most players are able to get rid of the connection failed/online services error and connect normally.